Selamat petang semua. Terima kasih. Untuk sesi kita pada petang ini, kita akan sama-sama dengar video yang akan ditayangkan sebentar lagi.
Oh, big deep breath. We can do this.
Hello.
Hi there, hello.
What's your name?
I'm Dermot Parlin. I'm the head teacher of Flakefleet Primary School, and this is our choir.
Hi.
Hello.
So tell me a little bit about the choir and how long they've been singing together.
Probably since September. We're a real eclectic group. We've got ranges from 4 all the way through to 11. Some are amazing singers, some are just enthusiastic. I'm not being...
That's a nice way of putting it.
No. Do you know what?
I'm going to use that in future.
That is funny.
You were enthusiastic.
So what's the big dream for this choir?
Reading and writing's important at school, but the kids had a dream. This one in assembly said she wanted to go on Britain's Got Talent, and here we are.
Amazing. What's your name?
Megan.
Megan. How old are you, Megan?
7.
7. And why did you want to come on Britain's Got Talent?
Because I love singing.
Darling. Oh, well, we're all rooting for you. Good luck.
Thank you very much. We go on, yeah. I'm just
When you're ready, yeah.
going to go and conduct. Really proud of you, whatever you've done. Right? You're amazing kids, let's go for it. Yeah? Smile.
Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world I'll turn it inside out. I'm floating around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now.
so moving. I don't know why it's so
Oh my
moving.
God, it shook me.
That was absolute chaos and absolute joy. Thank you so much. Simon, what did you think?
I think you are so important to kids this age to remind them, you know, to have fun. Your joy that you radiated is infectious. And this, to me, is what Britain's Got Talent is all about. David.
It's just one of the most joyous things I've ever seen. And I think you've just made all our hearts soar today. And it's what you want your childhood to have been like and what you want your children's childhood to be like, which is just full of unbridled joy. So this is what I think. Well done. Amazing. Enjoy your moment. You're a great teacher. You're a great teacher. Well done, everybody. Here they are, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. Well done in there. Come on. Here he is. He was stuck in the bin. He was stuck in there. Well done, guys.
So tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, banyak message-message yang tersirat daripada video tadi, dan kita sendiri boleh hayati. Anda boleh lakukan macam-macam perkara di sekolah yang akan menjadi peringatan bersama dalam kalangan murid, dan walaupun dah 30 tahun, 40 tahun kemudiannya pun sudah pastinya mereka akan ingat. Murid tidak akan lupa. Ingat tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, ilmu itu datang daripada buku, daripada pengalaman kita, daripada bacaan kita, daripada tontonan kita, dan daripada pelbagai sumber. Books are the training beds of the mind. Buku adalah latihan perbanan untuk minda kita. So sama-samalah kita menerokai ilmu daripada pelbagai sumber. Itu saja daripada saya pada petang Jumaat ini. Terima kasih kepada semua yang hadir bersama.